Can I use Nano Banana for 3D printing? Well, today I tried and... no way. That is so sick. Check those details. But let's move back to the beginning. Nano Banana is currently the most popular AI tool, and although it's incredible for generating images, it's not really made for 3D modeling. But if you know this workflow, you will actually create incredible detailed objects. So where is the catch? Well, if you have ever tried any 3D modeling AI, and I have tested dozens, you know how unpredictable they are. Sure, they are creative, but you just can't directly control the output. And asking for minor changes usually results in completely new design. And if you try over and over to match your idea, you will just run out of free samples. And that is where Nano Banana changes everything. You see, the most stable method to generate specific 3D models is image to 3D. Even better, multiple images to one 3D model. By using different projections of an item, you get a very decent and stable results while creating a 3D mesh. I have used this method before to recreate real objects, but what about models that do not exist yet? And here is the best part. You can now ask Nano for any object, adjust every single detail, and then request accurate multiplanar projections of that very item. Let's test this idea on an example. I want to 3D print custom miniatures for tabletop games. I'm asking for an Orc of Mordor miniature image, already supplied with a base and some terrain for context. The figurine looks good, but we need a clean, simple background because we're turning it into a 3D model. Let's change it. Honestly, at this point, this could be our final design. It even has a little mark of Sauron, but I want to know how adjustable this process really is. So instead of a shield, I will ask for a banner with the eye markings, and here it is. Now, if I were using any typical 3D modeling AI, asking for such minor change would result in a whole new design with a different pose, armor, and possibly new errors. But Nano Banana gives the ultimate control over the changes. I can keep every detail as it is. For example, change the sword to spear to make it easier to 3D print. But the best part is yet to come. Let's say I'm happy with this look. Now let's prepare it for printing. I'm going to ask for identical miniature with the same details, but with the camera looking from the back. And then we get this. Now I'm asking the same for the left side, right side and top view. If Nano loses some details, I can simply point it out and it will fix it in few seconds. And now, in less than 5 minutes, I have fully customized design visible from every perspective. Now we're going to use any 3D modeling tool that supports multi-planar views and turns them into 3D mesh. There are plenty websites to do that. I'm going to use Hightem 3D, but you can pick any other tool. So I will quickly log in, upload the images, and check this out. The AI has analyzed every view and created a fully customized 3D model. I can now easily 3D print it and use it for RPG campaigns instead of buying overpriced pieces online. And the results? Well, even on the higher zoom, all the details are spot on. That is so sick. It's not even a resin printer, just a typical FDM, but still it looks so good. Check those details. The little skulls on the base, the banner and armor, even the hands. It's just a decent model and it didn't exist an hour ago. So again, the best part about this process is the control we have over every step. The idea of generating 3D models from images is nothing new. I've made a few videos about it in the past, but creating a model from a single image is very unpredictable because you have no control over the details not visible in the front perspective. And Nano Banana is the first AI tool that generates accurate multiplanar views of an object that doesn't even exist. So, after trying dozens of modeling AIs, I think this is the most reliable workflow I've come up with so far, especially for the 3D printing purposes. And now, I have a confession to make. Over 90% of you, my awesome viewers, are actually not subscribed. So please do me that favor and click this little button. This channel is my dream, and you have the power to help me build it. Let me know in the comments what you would print with this method, and who knows, maybe you will see it in my next video. Cheers!